In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 upcoming WhatsApp features. So WhatsApp releases updates very often, and first it's only available to beta testers and then to everyone else. So most of the features which I talk about in this video are currently only for beta testers, but within a few weeks everyone will get them. So let's get started. So the first feature that WhatsApp is working on is to edit a message once you've sent them. So they're working on keeping a time frame of 15 minutes within which you can edit the message that you've sent. So how they plan to make this work is that if you long press on message within 15 minutes, then you'll find an option called edit, and then you can edit the message. But the only thing is that the person receiving the message will get to know that it's edited. This still isn't available to beta testers, but once it's out, then we'll know exactly how it works. The second feature is one that's already out for beta testers, and it's screenshot blocking for view once media. So basically, if you open a photo that's set to view once, then you won't be able to take a screenshot of it. So I'll show you how it works. So this photo here is view once. Now I've opened it, and if I try to take a screenshot, you can see that they've said you can't take a screenshot due to security policies. The third feature allows you to blur sensitive info when you're sending a photo. So normally, before sending a photo, you have a few options on the top, such as drawing on it, or you can add text, or you can crop it. But now, there's a new tool to blur a part of the photo. For this, you'll have to click on the top right, on the drawing icon, and then click on the bottom right, which is to blur. And now you can just see how this works. As you can see, I've blurred the text over here. The fourth feature is adding a caption to a document. So up till now, you could only send a document without adding any caption. So I'll show you how it works. So let's say I want to send this file. At the bottom, you'll find an option to add a caption. So I can just call this Excel sheet timetable. And now if I send it, you can read the caption. A new feature that WhatsApp is planning is to increase the group size limit to 1024. So currently, only 512 members are allowed in a group, but now they plan to double this to 1024 in a single group. And the last setting is one that's already out, and that's hiding your online status. So I've made a detailed video on it, but in short, in your privacy settings, along with last seen, you'll have an option called online. So these are the new changes coming to WhatsApp, and if you want to know how to read deleted messages, you can check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.